What's your name, young man? Ward, one up the... We have a winner, Bruce Mitchell. Give it up for yourself, someone to love Bruce Mitchell.
All right, I don't know if any of you noticed, but we've got a few cars in here, and this is our powder puff round. So these are our lady drivers. We got F21 Lark Wolf, and it's Lark's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday to F21. We also have in here Butter, Kaylee Jo Larson, and I can't see that number. Number 12, Shaylee 21. Okay, Shaylee Jones. Okay. All right, we've got 3 ladies out here is all. All right. We need to hear some cheering for these girls. See who's going to take home the cash. We got a thumbs up. 3, 2, 1. Get it, girls. Let's give that two some love here over in the corner. Butter, what do you got? Come on, Butter, get it going. F2's got 40 seconds to make a hit. She's scrambling. You got this, Brandy. Come on. Butter's working some gears down there. You ready for the fire extinguisher? We got some melting butter up here potentially.
It's melted.
Brandy, you got 10 seconds, girlie. You got it? 10 seconds to make a hit. Mark's just down there making friends with the west end. Brandy, pull your flag. I'm sorry, girl. Pull your flag. You're out of time.
The wires are on fire a little bit. They're melted.
All right, Butter, you've got 25 seconds. 21, Mark, you've got 22 seconds to make a hit.